Hey everybody, welcome back. We are at Verdin by Taylor Morrison up in North Phoenix. In today's video, you are gonna love. We're gonna actually take you through the models like the one we're sitting in and bring you some insider information. Okay, first of all, if you're new to the channel, you're gonna want to subscribe and follow because I am a new construction home specialist. That means I bring you the insider information on the best new construction communities all throughout the valley, and I show you how to save thousands of dollars buying a new home with our amazing new construction programs. I will be telling you about those at the end of the video, but for now, let's take you through two amazing models in the Discovery collection. We've got the Poppy and the Azalea. We've got a single story and two story, and man, they are beautiful. Let's go take a look through. Let's talk about the Verdin community, the amazing amenities and the location, right? So location-wise, this is prime time. It's a short, easy drive to the 17 because then we can go up to the lakes, down to the airport, or get anywhere in the city. If you're going over back to the east to Tatum Ranch, to Scottsdale, super easy drive. But out here, right, we're bordering private land. That's what makes this so special. This is kind of your last opportunity to get a home up here because they're not building anything else in this area. On top of that, amazing mountain views like Pinnacle Peak right behind me. Now within the community, I am genuinely impressed. I've been in real estate a long time. The amenities are epic. There's over 6 acres of amenities, things from beach entry pool, Olympic pool, right? 8 pickleball courts. There's gonna be a cool little cafe in here. There are gonna be over 30 miles of hiking trails out here. There are things like dog parks. There is so much space out here. Again, set up for us sitting in 6 acres of amenity space, everything you want. So much wrapped into an amazing private community up here in North Phoenix. Verdin is the spot. If you want to make this your home, you want to take a tour through the models, reach out, you know what to do, call, text, email, or go to the link to schedule your time to talk with us. We'll bring you in, we'll take you through all of the community here, we'll take you through the different collections. We're gonna find home for you. I would love to meet you and take you out here and make Verdin your next home. Welcome to the Poppy floor plan. So my prediction is the Poppy will be one of the most popular floor plans in this collection period because it's a single story and it's really nicely laid out. So this is a 4-bedroom layout. It's about 2,300 square feet with a 2.5 car garage, and there is some flexibility, but what I love is right when you walk in, there's a really wide hallways. It doesn't feel jammed up at all. It feels like you're walking into a very grand home, and I love the floor plan is split. So walk in, come right here. You've got 1 bedroom off to your right, great guest bedroom, mother-in-law, son, daughter, and then come on over here. This wing has its own bathroom and then another bedroom. By the way, we got walk-in closets in all of these as well. And walking through, all right, so why I really like the Poppy and why I think you're gonna like it too, we're gonna get there, is this little section here, but hold up, not there yet. To the right, before we get to my favorite part, you're gonna have your laundry room, lots of space. They're gonna have, by the way, all these homes come with what's really cool, a smart panel, helps keep your electronics organized, clean, things like that. Plenty of workspace here for folding towels, laundry, of course, great appliances. And then we've got what I think is your perfect den, movie room, or for me, it would be a home office, right? So again, this is a really functional floor plan. This is great for maybe a first-time buyer, first-time family. If you've got 2 or 3 kids, you will still fit nicely in this house. Your powder room for when you have those friends and family coming over, and you're gonna wanna have people over if you buy this house, because check this out, okay. I love this. This is not the backyard. This is a side courtyard. I love this because it actually is gonna wrap all the way around to your backyard. And what this actually feels like is it almost doubles your livable entertaining space, right? So in Arizona, we got great weather for a lot of the year. So when it's cool out, you can leave these sliders open, throw up some bistro lights, and then you can have people entertaining, hanging out here. You can come right back through here. Beautiful open concept. Again, the Poppy is gonna be popping. People are gonna love this floor plan. So you could take that courtyard, come all the way around to your backyard, and have that indoor-outdoor living vibe. Coming into here, Poppy's got a really nice open kitchen. You guys know, if you've been following me for a while, I love my kitchens. So great layout here, really nice, good sized pantry. And kind of the way they have set it up here is, it makes sense that your TV living area is gonna be over there. If you're a fan of formal dining rooms and living rooms, we've got that right here, little bump out. And then off to the primary bedroom with a fantastic bathroom, okay? So walking through here, these are available. And by the way, guys, when you buy a new construction home, you can tweak some of these things here. So the designs that you see here today aren't fixed in stone. One of the reasons that I love Taylor Morrison is you can customize your home, right? When you come in, you meet with us, we sit down with the sales rep, you can pick out your counters, your flooring, your design features. And if you like a nice, beautiful, fun shower like this, we can get that for you too, okay? So if you're interested in the Poppy or maybe some of the other floor plans, reach out, okay? Call, text, email, or fill out the link on this video, whether you're on Instagram or YouTube. Be sure to get in contact. Again, I'm a new construction specialist. I can work for you, okay? We have some great incentives. If you're looking to buy here, we have a rebate program that can save you up to $10,000. If you have a home to sell and you're worried about that contingency, we have a guaranteed cash offer program, and we also have an option to list and sell your home for only 1%. Now, if you want more information, I've got sheets here of all the different models, pricing. I also have lots, so I can show you the lots that are available coming soon. I would love to talk to you guys. Verdin Discovery Collection. This is the Poppy. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to take you through the Azalea, which is a big, grand 2-story floor plan. See you there. Now, before I send you on your way, be sure to subscribe because this is only half of the floor plans available within Verdin, and we're going to be continuing to bring you walkthroughs of these floor plans, any important information. And again, be sure to reach out to us. We can take you through all of the different collections. We can save you so much time, money, and stress buying a home here in Verdin. Don't wait, reach out. Let's go make this your next home.